Hey, how's it going? Jean here with Luma University. In this video, I just want to talk to you about why you should learn studio lighting. And I'm just going to talk from the hip here. I don't have any notes or anything. But the big thing for me when it comes to learning studio photography is that it unlocks an entirely new skill set for you. It's not just in addition to photography, it's actually an entirely different field that you could make an entire career in as a lighting technician. Lighting and understanding how it works unlocks the entire world of photography for you, because photography is literally photography. It's graphing the light. It's the mapping and the capture of light. And what better way to control what you capture than to understand light? And this goes for any discipline, whether it's product photography or portrait photography or outdoors photography, whether you're using flash or continuous lights or video or whatever it may be, understanding light unlocks the entire world for you. And what I mean by understanding it is knowing the physics of light. What's really cool about learning light is that it's not really that complicated. There's definitely some counterintuitive parts to it, like understanding color temperature and the inverse square law. Those things, at least for me, were backwards in my head from an intuitive standpoint. But once I understood how they worked, my whole world completely changed. And light is no longer some sort of ethereal, unknowable thing. It's physics. And for me, just the ability to control it and manipulate it and to experience it and to create art with it is such a cool thing. And I don't take that for granted at all. So for me, that's why I love light. I love the physics of light. I love the science behind the light. I love everything when it comes to how light functions, how color mixes. You can see in my background here, I've got this really cool mix of two light colors coming together, and they're creating like a purple in the background. And that's just, stuff I love. And when it comes down to it, we're capturing the fastest moving thing in the universe. It's something that cannot be fully comprehended and elates scientists to this day. And to me, I love that part of it. Plus the combination of merging that technical, scientific, physical part of the world with art is just an incredible thing. And so to me, that's what inspires me about lighting. But also once I understood light and I understood the principles of light, like light hardness, the inverse square law, light color, and light size and direction, and all of that stuff, once you have it down, you can create anything you can imagine. Even if you're outside using just the sun, you now know how to harness it better to create beautiful imagery. And again, it's just something that you can learn for the rest of your life. It's something I continue to learn every day and be amazed by every day. I'm super into like astronomy. I'm super into aircraft and science and things like that. And I'm not necessarily into like the engineering side or getting that technical about it, because I'm still just an artist at the end of the day. But man, I love it so much. And there's so much more to light than just what I can express in one video. It's really a journey of a lifetime. And even just in daily practical things, it makes your life so much easier. You can use light to see things better by knowing where to place it so that it reflects off of different objects. That's something as well as understanding surface materials. So that's why I really recommend learning with product photography. It's why I do so much product photography. Even though it's not as flashy or as exciting as portrait work, it really teaches you the fundamentals by understanding how light reflects off of reflective surfaces versus matte surfaces and direct transmission, and just how all of this stuff comes together to help you create art. And once you understand it, you're no longer guessing, you're creating, you're building, and the more you practice, the better you get at it, the faster you get, and everything just becomes this really amazing cohesive thing. And I'll say this, once you understand light, there's nothing you can't create in any circumstance that you're in, as long as you know the fundamentals and how to get the most out of your situation. The tools just really help us to be more efficient, but you can create amazing art with a flashlight, with a camera or your basic phone and like an app in the middle of the desert or something. I don't know. There's nothing you can't do with the gear you have. It just makes life easier as you upgrade. So gear does matter for sure, but it pales in comparison to understanding how things actually work, the physics behind what you're doing, and the art with how it translates to how people view it. And of course, it's a continually never-ending journey of learning, but hopefully this inspires you a little bit to pick up some lights get into the studio or get outside and just learn and practice. Of course, you can go back in my YouTube catalog. I have a lot of teaching here that you can take advantage of. You can also go further with more advanced stuff over on lumauniversity.com. Of course, I have my email list there with a free course and all sorts of stuff to kind of get you started. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and check out my upcoming workshops on lumauniversity.com/workshops. I have one coming up at the end of March, and I have one coming up in Spokane, Washington in April. So check those out as well. All right, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day and get out there and get inspired by light.